बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए ना कोई कहानी दिल में है दिल है दिल लाग नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अब लोग खुशनुमी दानी हम है दिल है और जानम दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई ऐसा ना ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर दीवानगी 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 है all heart girl put your hands up and say oh Shakira all boys wanna make some noise and say oh Shakira.
Good morning everyone, myself Susha.
My name is Kirti Kumari.
We are from 9th standard.
First of all, thank you for being here and giving your precious time.
In this experiment, we will gonna show the conduction of electricity through sodium chloride solution and its failure in sugar solution. The material required for the experiment are sugar solution, salt solution, a bulb with a switch, and electrode as copper wire. Sodium chloride, also known as table salt, is a chemical compound of sodium and chlorine.
Now let's see how does it work. When we switch on our power sources, the electricity will flow in these two wires, and this is sodium chloride solution. When we put these two wires in sodium chloride solution, the bulb will glow because it generates ions and electricity will flow in this wire.
When the voltage is applied to the NaCl solution, sodium ions move towards the negative electrode and chlorine ions move towards the positive electrode. The movement of ions in the NaCl solution allows the bulb to glow. Sodium chloride, also known as electrolyte, as it breaks down into ions. Now, what is an electrolyte? It is a substance that forms ions when dissolved in a solvent.
Now let's see the case in sugar solution. When we put these two wires in sugar solution, the bulb will not glow because it doesn't form ions.
The observation from the above experiment is even though our wire is cut in between, electricity is still able to pass through it in the NaCl solution. This is how our project conduction of electricity through sodium chloride solution works. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Anshika. I am Dipali. We are from 9th standard. Our motto is Turkey is the most important factor. Technology develops by the world. Mankind also improves their technology to perform their life functions. Therefore, technology should be monitored at times to protect us from crime work. In this experiment, we gonna see that how laser home security works. These properties help us to build up a modern security system, which may name as laser home security. When a person or an object follows this laser line, the security alarm will ring and the focus light on to focus the entrance of unauthorized persons. Conclusion: the security is a rapidly growing. They are new and improved surveillance stopping activities with the rapid advancement of technology. The field is starting to be an area full of great and creative innovation. It has emerged of comfort because security is time important to all. Thank you.